A man spots a luxury car parked on the street. A wounded seagull is trapped in the car's front grille. It struggles helplessly, its feathers covered in dust. The man guesses it was hit mid-flight. He frowns, but decides to stop the driver and save it. He reaches in slowly, trying to pull the seagull out. But the bird is more injured than he thought. It shrieks in terror, flapping wildly. After several attempts, he fails to free it. A crowd begins to gather. An elderly passerby steps forward. Together, they finally manage to extract the seagull. It lies limp in the old man's arms. He gently strokes its back, then quietly takes it to a nearby seaside embankment, hoping to return it to familiar surroundings. But the seagull doesn't fly away. It perches on the old man's palm, gazing at him for a long time, as if saying, "Thank you for believing I could still fly." Humans hesitate, but it never doubted human kindness.